In Sango, it says Eriti Mozwa.
Eriti Mozwa.
Yeah, or you can say Erimo Agien.
Erimo Agien. Good day, bros. Alpha.
I'm fine.
Where are you from?
Actually, where am I from? Is it from my state or
Your state. Your state.
Okay, I'm Enugu. I'm from Enugu.
Where in Enugu?
Udi.
Udi.
Yeah.
Where in Udi?
Upatu.
Upatu.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. What are your people known for? That Opatu people food. What are they known for? If they mention Opatu people, what is that thing that can come to person mind? People that know you guys well.
The question actually, I am not a kind of an indigenous person from Upatu, but at least I do have some of their, their culture. They have been known for palm wine.
And wine tapping.
Yeah.
Wow. But what are you trying to say? You did not grow in your hometown.
Yeah, I didn't grow in my hometown.
So where do you grow?
I tried. I grew up in Port Harcourt.
Port Harcourt.
Yeah.
Nice. Like how many language can you speak now?
Precisely, I can speak 4 languages.
4 languages.
Yes.
Like mention them.
Two should be international, which is English and French, and then one should be my Igbo dialect and with Sango.
Sango.
Yeah.
Sango is which people are speaking Sango?
RCA.
RCA.
Yeah.
RCA is a country.
Yeah, it's a country.
African country. Right?
Yeah, an African country. Republic of Central Africa.
Okay, Republic of Central Africa. I have not traveled before. Okay. Okay, let me ask you again.
Yeah.
Can you start from Igbo. Use Igbo. Ask me what is my name. Let me see.
Kedafage.
Okay, now so you can speak Igbo very well.
Yes,
you can speak
of
Igbo.
course, yeah.
Okay, let's start the Central Africa, right?
Oh, yeah, Central Africa.
Oh yeah, use Central Africa and ask me what is my name. Let me see.
Is it in Sango or in French?
In Sango first. Let's go with Sango.
Okay. In Sango, it says Eriti Mozwa.
Eriti Mozwa.
Yeah, or you can say Erimo Agien.
Erimo Agien. Wow, guys. This guy. Okay. Nice. Okay,
Yeah.
the next language is
It should be French, yeah.
French.
Yeah.
Okay, use French and tell me come and eat.
Viens à manger.
Viens à manger.
Yeah.
Viens à manger.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.